Brought to you by the medical professionals at Carpal Pain Solutions, developers of the Carpal RX.
If you're waking up at night because you need to shake out your hand due to numbness and tingling in your fingers, or you have these symptoms which may include pain and it makes it difficult for you to work, you may have carpal tunnel syndrome. And in that case, you may be looking for a doctor. But how do you choose the right doctor for your carpal tunnel syndrome? There are several methods you can use. First, you can get referrals from hospitals. Just call your local hospital and ask for the hospital referral service. They'll be happy to give you the names of doctors who have the best reputation, and they will not give you doctors who have a poor reputation, because that reflects badly on the hospital. Another good resource is your insurance company. If you already have insurance, call them up and ask them which doctors are in their practice plan. If you find a doctor outside of this route, make sure you call your insurance company to make sure they're still on the approval list, because a lot of doctors come and go from that list. Another great resource are online directories. Some of these directories will also give you information regarding the doctor's reputation. A particularly good directory online is the Carpal Tunnel Doctor Finder at findcarpaldoctors.info. Remarkably, it's a completely free directory of doctors who only specialize in hand issues. An often overlooked method to find a good carpal tunnel doctor is to contact your local medical school. Doctors at medical schools are usually less expensive, and they have more openings, and they usually have more experience than doctors who are not affiliated with a medical school. You can also contact the American Board of Medical Specialties. They generally provide a free service or reports on a particular doctor. It's sort of like a report card, and will tell you if the doctor is board certified. Finally, and most importantly, when you do find a doctor, make sure they have a lot of experience. Make sure this doctor offers state-of-the-art diagnoses and treatments and discusses all of the dangers of carpal tunnel surgery. Just as importantly, make sure this doctor discusses all non-surgical treatment options with you. Carpal tunnel surgery should be the last thing you discuss with this doctor, because he should recommend all non-surgical treatments first. He should inform you that most patients are dissatisfied with their carpal tunnel surgeries. But in actuality, the vast majority of patients are quite satisfied with non-surgical therapies. That statistic is so important that the Association of Orthopedic Surgeons and the National Institutes of Health recommend that all doctors advise their patients to try all non-surgical options first before considering surgery. Those non-surgical therapy options are rest, night splinting, and deep tissue massage. These simple methods are very effective in relieving symptoms. In fact, deep tissue massage is nearly 100% effective, but only when applied daily and for 2 to 4 weeks. Otherwise, it won't alleviate symptoms. Thanks to a new technology, you don't have to see a therapist every day to get this treatment. This technology is the amazing Carpal RX. It's like a take-home therapist, where you put it on your forearm twice a day for 15 minutes. It's carefully calibrated to produce the same motions, speed, and pressures that a therapist uses when performing deep tissue massage on your wrist and forearm. And it's so simple to use. Just plug it in, slide it on, strap it in, and relax. The Carpal RX will do all the complex deep tissue massage for you. So throw away all those splints and braces that just don't work. And don't even think about having surgery. If you have carpal tunnel syndrome, wrist tendonitis, or repetitive strain injury, you owe it to yourself to try this remarkable product. The Carpal RX always comes with a 60-day free trial, so if you're not completely satisfied, return it for a complete refund of all of your money, including your shipping costs. The Carpal RX is guaranteed to get rid of all of your symptoms, and it will do it easily, completely, comfortably, and cost-effectively. Remember, it's completely guaranteed to work for you. Learn more at carpalrx.com.